I explain for you our vending machine. This machine is the Coca-Cola and the lemon juice and a lot of the juice inside, and also inside he keep the ice and the bubble. And today we have try this machine, and I need to ice and need to the juice here, and this is the Coca-Cola. I need to the vendor here. You can see we set up different money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, very expensive, the last one. Okay, the machine is working. Okay, it's ready. The payment system, we can make the coin and the bill. And also we can make the credit card. In here for the QR code, we're working in the China. Oh, it's ready. I listen the noise. It's the more the bubble here. It show. In the people like the bubble and the ice. And also you can set up the ice for yourself, because we have a setup here. So let's see. Here. You can see the ice and the bubble is more.